Assalamu alaikum, little learners and awesome parents. Ramadan is like a special guest coming to visit our homes, and guess what? We have 14 days to get everything ready. Are you excited? Today, we're going on a preparation adventure with 7 super fun ways to welcome Ramadan as a family. Let's get started. First up, our magical Ramadan calendar. This isn't just any calendar, it's a map of good deeds. Every day, you'll open a door or stick a star, and discover a special act of kindness to do. Like sharing toys, helping with dishes, or saying a beautiful dua. Making this together is half the fun. Next, let's build our special prayer corner. Find a cozy spot in your home. Add a clean prayer rug, maybe a pretty Quran stand, and a box for your prayer beads. This will be your peaceful place for Quran time and talking to Allah during Ramadan. Now, let's become dua champions. Choose one beautiful dua to learn together. How about the dua for opening fast? Allahumma laka sumtu. Practice it while setting the iftar table. When Ramadan comes, you'll say it like a pro. Time for our kindness box. Decorate a box together. Every day before Ramadan, add a small coin or note. When Eid comes, we'll give it to someone in need. This teaches our hearts to love giving. Get ready for moon sighting excitement. Make a cardboard telescope or a moon phase chart. On Ramadan's first night, we'll look for the crescent moon together. It's like a heavenly treasure hunt. Let's practice our no snack times. Before Ramadan starts, try skipping one snack time each day. Drink lots of water too. This helps our bodies get ready gently. Finally, our family goal chart. Write down one big goal together. Maybe finishing a Quran juz, or 30 days of family prayer. Put it where everyone can see. Teamwork makes the dream work. Wow, look at all the wonderful preparations. Remember, the best preparation is a happy heart excited to worship Allah. Which idea will you start with today? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for our Ramadan adventure series. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
Sun shining high, sad is for sabr with patience we try. That is for du'at, calling to truth. Ta is for taqwa, pity in youth. From Alif to Ya, His blessing.